Alright guys, so welcome back here. I'm going to take the micro SD card out of this thing, and I really do not care for this kind of packaging. It's so dangerous. You could just cut yourself so easily or damage the card while you're trying to get these things out. I don't know why they ever came up with this kind of packaging. It is... See how long that took to get that out? I don't even want to get the other bit out. But I need that card to put in the drone at some point. And I'm guessing if I read the manual correctly, it should go in here. So see, should just click in place. Oh, that wasn't too hard. Okay, all right. So yeah, there you go. There you have it. Now let's get into here. I want to see what this remote is like. It feels heavy. I wonder if the battery's already in there. So that'll be interesting to find out. Ooh, this feels fancy. It really feels fancy, guys. Compared to the other remotes that I've used in the past, this feels super fancy. I don't even know how to open it. Will I break it? Will I break it? Hopefully not. Okay, so I guess this is where I will put my iPhone 5 or whatever. Stretches maybe to iPhone 6 level. We'll have to see. The knobs are here. So that'll be interesting. See how that works out. Pretty cool, pretty cool. And I have no idea how this works, so we'll have to find out if it works. But it does have, hopefully, a lightning port in here. Oh, there it is. Okay, so it comes standard with a lightning port. And that is a fantastic thing. So don't have to do anything. It'll be just ready for me. Fantastic. I like when things work the way they're supposed to. Anyway, let's check this out here. Let's check out the battery. I don't want to destroy that. Okay, it's good. So you don't have to destroy the QR code. Okay, oh, awesome. Okay, so the batteries come in preloaded in here, so I will just load the other battery that's in the drone in here, charge it before running the thing. And we'll have to see how well that does. I heard you just have to sort of click and it comes out. Is that true? Oh my. I probably shouldn't do that with the blades in the way like that. Okay. I think maybe we'll just... Okay, so this goes open it like this, or I will just damage the blades while I'm trying to get the battery out. Ah, there we go. So do it this way. Don't do it like I was doing before. That was just really ridiculous. We all learned something today. Okay. And so it was the one all the way on the left, and slide it correctly. Don't do what I was just doing right there. Okay, so in the next one, we'll see what else we got here. But it's looking good so far. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.